We know what's in here, so let's get right to it. I'm going to fast forward the unboxing part so you don't have to, and while I'm doing that, hit the subscribe button. Okay, so now we're in business. So I wanted to show you all three colors, so all together, because you've seen lots of videos where there's, mainly people are showing the black one, but this is the STEELDIVE SD1970. And that is funny because that's the color I wanted. So just ironically, that's the first one I opened up. So just so you know, I'm keeping one of them, probably this one, and then getting rid of the other two. But wanted you to see them all three together. Look at that, beautiful, right? Let's get the others open. Great little cases they come in, huh? Okay, and then this is the one that you're used to seeing. There's the black one. There is the green one. Okay, so let's tear into this blue one because that's the one I'm probably keeping. So here, let me get these out of the way. So that looks a little nicer. You can see them in the shot. And then let's get into this because I haven't seen, like I said, I've seen a lot of reviews and unboxings for the black version, but I haven't seen a lot of the green or blue. You know what? You've seen enough of these. I don't need to take that off for now, as long as we got the good stuff off there. So, I mean, we're not taking measurements or anything. It's just a quick unboxing, like I said, to show you all three together and mainly show off this blue one. Wow. So this is the new 2020 version. So it is the one that has the sapphire crystal. I'll show you. See? And has anti-reflective coating on the inside of the crystal as well. Boy, did that get all ready? I am just smudging stuff left and right. So there is that blue dial. That is awesome. Of course, this is an homage to the Seiko 6105, and it isn't it ironic that it's got an NH35 movement from Seiko on the inside. This is the watch that everybody's saying that they're doing Seiko better than Seiko. So, I mean, especially for a value. So, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's right. And that's the difference, too. You've got the signed crown as well on this version. This new updated version. So, anyway, so this is just a short unboxing. Obviously, I'm going to keep this one, and I'll give you my full review on it. Like I said, there are tons of reviews. It's not as if YouTube needs another review on this one. But, you know, it's fun when you follow somebody and you get to know them and, you know, you kind of relate to them. Then that's the person you want to see review watches. So if you're somebody that likes this channel and likes my style, then you'll appreciate what I have to say about the watch. So I'm one that I'm for tons of reviews, you know, just everybody do them and I'll watch them all, you know, so I love to see tons of them. So I hope you do as well. And we have to move that. Oh, that's great bezel action. Oh, that thing is super smooth. Oh, now I just passed it again. Okay. I'm looking in the camera too, so that's probably, here, I need to look off. Actually, it is lined up. It doesn't look like it in the camera, but see. There we go. And how are the markers? The other markers good? Yep. So you have to tilt in order to gut check that. If you just look like this, you know, they're going to be off. That is a great bezel. Wow. Okay, I can't wait to do the review, but I'm going to have to wear it obviously for a while, and then I'll get back. So like I said, I just wanted you to see all three of them together, like the brothers and sisters they are. Great shot, huh? I'm leaving the wrap on these because they're going to be sold as new. So, but take in the shininess of that one. Isn't that great? Wow. That is awesome. I could just stare at this shot all day long. I love it. Oh, man. That is a beautiful watch. Wouldn't you agree? I mean, I haven't even worn the thing yet. Should I put it on? I guess I should put it on, huh? All right. We can't stare at this shot all day, I guess, right? Okay. So, well, speaking of which, that gives me a chance to mention. So this is the last unboxing that I did, which was my Watch Gang Black Tier membership. It's the Nodus GL 2087A. So I'll put a link up above for you to check out that unboxing if you like, and then obviously I'll have a full review coming on it pretty soon too. This has got the domed crystal. I didn't show it off enough. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That domed crystal, just takes on all kinds of good light. So anyway, so yeah, follow that if you want to see that unboxing, and then of course subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos. But oh, I see, now I'm gonna have to take this off, that's for sure. If you don't fast forward, I'm going to, right? I know I've still got the plastic on. This was just supposed to be a quick video, but I gotta put it on the wrist, right? Yeah, it feels good even with that plastic. All right, so there you have it. STEELDIVE SD1970, an homage to the Willard. We'll write it out with this loom shot. That'll give you a chance to click on the Watch Wit logo right there. That'll reveal a surprise. The subscribe button. That's right, click on that so you can see more videos of the STEELDIVE and other great watches. Oh, and then like this video, but you gotta hurry. It's almost ending. Quick.